Hello YouTube, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I roast a whole chicken. Ingredients I'll be using will be some seasoning salt, poultry seasoning, everything but the leftovers seasoning blend from Trader Joe's. This is Dash garlic and herb seasoning. Okay, I have some in a bowl already. Have some butter. Okay, let's get started. I already sprayed my baking dish down with some non-stick cooking spray. Put a little seasoning in there, okay? I already cleaned my chicken, as you can see. Okay, we're going to take some butter. I'm just going to room temperature butter. And we're going to rub it on the chicken. You can use oil, but today I'm using butter. And this is going to help the seasoning to stick. Just rub them down. Okay. Then I get up under the skin, because I also put the seasoning under here because I do not eat the skin. So for those of us that don't eat the skin, you know, the meat still be seasoned as well, instead of just the skin. Okay, up in there like that. And I do my turkey the same way. Okay, get him in there good. See, that's just the seasoning I had in the pan that he was resting in. Just rub it on there. And you can use whatever kind of seasoning you choose to. This is just what I'm going with today. Okay, and you can use how much seasoning you choose to. Okay, it's up to you. I'm going to take our seasoning, massage it on in there like that. Let's do the other side. Just move up and down. See? Okay. Pat it on up there. Get it. Like that. Then we're going to tuck the wings behind him. Like that. Seasoning on top. Pat it in. You can rub it in if you choose to. Okay. And what's left of the seasoning, that's why I like to use paper bowls. So you can fold it like that and put it in the inside. Okay. That's that. Okay. Now I'm going to tie his legs together. You don't have to do this. This is optional. And this is cooking string right here. Like I said, you don't have to do this. It's optional. Okay, so we're going to get him tied up. We're going to cut the excess string. Alright, we don't need all that. Then I'm going to put some more seasoning on the back side. See, by doing that, you can see where it needs seasoning as well. Okay, then we're going to place him in a preheated oven, 350 degrees, for an hour and 30 minutes. And I'm not going to cover it up. Okay? Baste your chicken every 15 to 20 minutes so that it won't get dry. Okay, there you have it, our roasted chicken. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.